Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. How have to be? Welcome back friends my YouTube channel. Hopefully friends you will be fine, have you spending good and lavish life. So friend, most welcome my channel. I hope you will enjoy your life ideas which I introduced. And friend, let's come now. I shared with you beautiful and great ideas, and in this video friend I shared with you beautiful and great crochet handmade earrings, and that earrings are very beautiful. I hope friends you will enjoy that's beautiful and great ideas, and you can create different type of thinking knowledge. To watching that's beautiful ideas, you can create different type of thinking knowledge. To watching that's beautiful and magnified ideas, don't forget to subscribe my channel, because now I share with you beautiful and great ideas. In this video friends I introduce great ideas. These are most ambitious and pickling point ideas in this video I shared with you. Hopefully you will gain different type of thinking knowledge. To watching that's beautiful and great ideas, upload this video your friends, your mutual friends, overall your social personality which you know have that, and you can create different type of thinking knowledge. To watching that's beautiful ideas which I share with you. I hope friends and friends you can create different type of thinking knowledge. To watching that's beautiful and great ideas which I share with you, and you can create different type of thinking knowledge. To watching that's beautiful ideas. Thank you so much friends to watching this video at the last. I hope you will enjoy my beautiful and great ideas which I share with you in this video, and next time I will meet you with beautiful great ideas. And friend, next time I will meet you with beautiful and humorous ideas. Thank you so much to enjoy that's beautiful ideas. Next time I will meet you with beautiful ideas.